Okay, I'm hiking the Miossi Open Space in San Luis Obispo, California, Central California coast. This is the trail to Panorama Trail. So we've already covered about a mile, and just keeps winding up into the foothills here. I think the railroad tracks are up above me, and we're going to go under the tracks through this tunnel. Yeah, the railroad spike. Oh, this is pretty cool in here. Nice and cool, and much nicer than out in the direct sunlight. This is one stout culvert. Yeah. So we're gonna go up that way. I'll film some more in a minute.